Are you searching for best window cleaning robot? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best window cleaning robot in 2023. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1, PuRuikai Robot Window Cleaner. Please note that this product needs to be plugged in, not for charging. This one cannot be used for charging. The battery inside the robot is used to support the safety device to prevent falling. 3-year warranty for the robot. Using wait 20 seconds after starting up until the blue light stop flashing, then start working. Because the robot need 20 seconds to detect the glass plane, binding the safety rope when using, prevent falling from high altitude, spray some water on the edge of the mop when working, will be better effect. When you receive the item, please contact us if you have any questions, we will solve it for you. Number 2, CHOVER Robot Window Cleaner. CHOVER Robot Vacuum Cleaner Window Cleaning Robot Window Cleaner. Electric glass Olympia crystals, remote control. Customer reviews: it holds on the window perfectly, is controlled by the remote control, the fastening rope and power cord are very long, reaches from the sockets to all windows, noisy, periodically stops, turn it on with the remote control again. Can perfect. Included 6 pieces of microfiber nozzles. First dry mine, then change to clean and mine with a window cleaner. Number 3, PuRuikai Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Orders 1000. Household window automatic water spray cleaning robot vacuum cleaner, remote control electric window wiper, household glass wiper. Customer reviews: a week came the robot. Perfectly packed, no flaw, with mail to home. Works fine. In every house with large windows. Recommend. Great purchase and robot great. I have huge windows in the bedroom and in the salon and on the balcony. Abrasimova has already washed everything. I attach a photo. Wonderful. Comes with 4 pairs of replacement wipes. Highly recommended. Number 4, Liectroux HCR10 Robot Window Cleaner. Orders 500. Liectroux HCR10 Robot Window Cleaner, water spraying, ultra-thin window cleaning robot vacuum, electric glass Olympia crystals. Features: automatic water spray with 30 ml water tank. Applicable on glass of any thickness. Artificial intelligent technology applied. Long distance remote controller. Brushless motor fan. Auto return to original point after work completed. Fast cleaning speed up to 2 minutes per square meter. Specially designed fiber mopping cloth. Built-in uninterruptible power system, UPS, 3 auto cleaning modes. Highly reliable anti-falling algorithm. Auto and manual remote control. High-strength safety rope, holds up to 150 kgf. Low power consumption, 80 W, 100-240 VAC, 50/60 Hz. Number 5, Liectroux YW509 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner. Liectroux YW509 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner, double water spray, laser sensor, auto glass wet mop, home floor window cleaning robot. Outstanding configuration: water spray, to 3 directions, left, right, down, intelligent path planning, frameless glass applicable, water tank, 2 water tank. 90 ml in total. Main features: for sets of high-precision optocoupler sensors to detect edges sensitively. 3000 Pascal suction power. UPS power-off protection. Floating cleaning pad plate keeps the robot attached on the glass steadily. Professional-grade safety rope and safety buckles. Total length of 6.2 m power cord and extension cable for worry-free cleaning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.